How to redeem H&M gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem H&M gift card online. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now, head over to the official website of H&M. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to explore the website and find the items you want to purchase. After that, you want to add those items to your bag. Now, you want to click on this bag icon. Then you want to click on the checkout option. Now on the next page you will have to enter some details. So start by entering your information including your billing address, your shipping information, then scroll down and here you will have to enter your payment method. Once you have selected your payment details, you have the gift card option. Go ahead and click on add gift card option. Here you first of all want to enter your gift card number. After that, enter your PIN code. Then click on the add option. Once you have added the gift card information, click on the save option. And if the information you entered is valid, it will be successfully redeemed. Now you can continue to place your order, and in this way you can redeem your H&M gift card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.